Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established in 1959. Here we have a 21 reg Mitsubishi ASX. 2021 reg Mitsubishi ASX, diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless starting, privacy glass, rear camera, very clean car. When you lock the vehicle, the mirror's parked. Just push this button here to unlock the vehicle, as long as you have the key on you. In here, you have your locking wheel nut and instruction manuals, heated seats, side airbags, panoramic roof, MIVEC rear seats, leather seats as well, 4 electric windows. This is your camera here. Large boot area with inflation kit. You would be able to take this out and put a spare wheel if you wished. The spare wheel would obviously go under there. This is the key. As long as you have the key on you, the vehicle's keyless. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors, electronically adjustable driver's seat. This button here is your start. So you put your foot on the brake, push that button, the vehicle starts. This goes all the way back. So you've got a panoramic roof here. Illuminated vanity mirror both sides. Vehicle's done 17,989 miles, so just about 18,000 miles. Rear camera, heated seats here, 2 USBs, power outlet there, climate control, sat nav, TomTom sat nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Nice to have that. Cruise control here.
Please speak after the beep.
Voice activation here. Telephone button.
Could not recognize. Press the speech key and speak again.
Volume button here. You can use these to drive, to change gear tiptronically if you wish, but the vehicle is automatic. This button here is your 4-wheel drive button. Yeah, nice storage compartment here. Nice drinks holders there. Pocket here to store stuff. Auto lights as well, and also auto wipers. Yeah, to turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. Turns the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.